there's room for 55. They're quite substantial homes too. Block of land's around $300,000, and these two examples are actually the whole three are more than their homes. 2 million. This one, the next one, 4.5 million. Now, folks, these are not real pilots. We can't afford houses like that. These are people who've done really well, but they do own their own planes. This guy's got a $3 million helicopter. He's obviously in. Guys, when we turn around into the wind and take off, we'll climb above the trees and then you'll see the beautiful Whitsunday Islands. There's 74 of them if you want to count them, and 7 of those islands have resorts, the rest are uninhabited. Now about 12,000 years ago the ice glaciers melted and we had an ice age.